nice to see you, and
Yeah.
some fabulous work you guys are doing here. Fabulous work.
Thank you so much. Thank
I
you so
just
much.
saw the home, and I was really, I said that this is something, I would have preferred to stay in a place like this. It's amazing.
You're
Amazing
always
work.
welcome. You're always
You're
welcome.
welcome. There you go.
Whenever you're
I
to
fully
airport,
share with
Virendra
you.
and me will call the client specially to lay out a red carpet for Greg and you.
No,
There
I'm telling you,
are five bedrooms. You have a
just
choice.
fabulous,
5 bedrooms.
and I must come sometime and see the whole place in terms of what magic you guys have done.
Virendra and me kind of connected very beautifully on an idea of what is architecture and what is design and how does that kind of come together. And shortly after that, the client came to me, and I don't know if Virendra had a hand in that, but if it was, thank you, Virendra. Came to me and approached us for this project, and it was synergy on day one.
So, but what came first for you? Was it the whole architecture or the interiors? So, how did you kind of really envision it?
I think I was literally following the architecture, because the lines are so strong. Anything you do would immediately kind of respond with the architecture. Also, because Mr. Vakru has built these as glass pavilions. These are actually, it's not a house, it's a pavilion. They're pavilions of glass that sit on a plot of land in front of a lake. It's as basic as that. But the detailing in which he's done the roofs, as you walk through the house, as you walk through the landscape, you see so many different visual textures that he's kind of managed to pull the light into. It's really amazing. So we were just balancing that. I was playing with light. So it was literally me dodging the light through this whole project. And at some point, I almost became a cinematographer, rather than a designer.
I think the challenge was, how do you get all the rooms have a view to the lake and to the mountains, yet receive the sunlight, which is from the southern side, that's the rear side of the building. How do you get that inside the spaces? Ashish was talking about light. So what we have done is all the views towards the lake, and we have cut the building into 3 pavilions with small corridors that allow you, when you are moving from space to space, allow you to receive the southern sunlight, but also view into the parts of the lake, like small vignettes, like small vistas.
Varinder, tell me, were there times when you both really fought? When you fought over something which each one of you wanted?
Obviously. I think the idea of Jugalbandi, which is like, you say something, I say something, we come together, and if you don't fight or you don't have a disagreement, that means something's wrong in the project, because then either one of us is just going with the flow with the other one. So here the fact is that we both have very strong opinions on design, and we both have strong aesthetics, and we both understand the poetry of each other's practices, but come together as one,
But I think it's amazing because of this Jugalbandi, you guys are on to another project. So which speaks volumes about the fact that the fights are converting into absolutely some creative stuff, which really comes out. So I think it's great to see that this Jugalbandi is creating some fantastic stuff.
Congratulations, Ashish and Virendra. I mean, what an amazing house. What a thing to complete during lockdown as well. And even thank you so much for helping us arrange the shoot, which is not easy during lockdown as well. I can't wait for everybody to see it in the January issue. But you're not the only one that's been busy during lockdown. I know that Asian Paints have been up to all sorts of things as well and have some exciting announcements. Amit, can you tell me, what have you been up to and what's coming?
Yeah, Greg, I think we are the ones who would never kind of sit quiet, and, we take inspiration from Ashish a lot, because, the way Ashish keeps on juggling around and getting new things and so on and so forth. I think some inspirations we keep on taking, and, we have been working a lot during these times, and, we saw the COVID time in the relationships of the people change with the home. Homes had a new meaning for people, spaces became more multifunctionality zones. And that's the time when we decided that, it's a great time to move away from the walls to between the walls. And that's what inspired us in terms of launching a full new range of fabric and furnishing, furniture and lighting. So I think that's been something which has been spectacular. And we just launched this range in September. And it's something which is just fabulous in terms of what's it brought to the table. And we feel so good because you are right inside the home, a space which you always have been, and looking at seeing that how you can get the personality of the person through all these mechanisms which is there. And we were already there in kitchen and bath. And now with the entry into these 3 areas, it becomes almost a complete offering which you can do. And not only this, we have been working on some really exciting wallpapers, which, I'm dying to tell and exhibit as we kind of go by, because it's now literally, Ashish, I must tell you, it's like draping the walls in a sari. It's like fabulously great stuff, which possibly India has never seen. And that's something which is coming on the new anvil to that extent. And I can keep on talking. We introduced alcohol-free hand sanitizer, which is something which is the first in the country in terms of which came in from the House of Asian Paints, and so on and so forth. So I think lots of things in terms of what we've been doing, and that's something which always keeps on inspiring us, because that's how possibly we come close to this design community and be with events like AD100. Greg.
Wow.
Great, thanks, Amit. Great. It was so nice to catch up with you all. I hope we can all meet again, perhaps in Udaipur, if not before. And let's hope for an on-ground, real, let's meet each other, let's party A100 for next year.
Thank you, Greg.
Thank
you, Ashish. Thank you,
Thank you, Amit.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you,
so
Ashish.
much.
Greg.
Thank you, Mr. Baplu.
Super
Greg.
fun.
हेलो।
हाँ मैडम, पीला रंग ले लिया मैंने।
क्या? पीला?
हेलो?
पीला नहीं, नीला, नीला। हेलो?
पीला रंग। हेलो?
हेलो? आप यहाँ कैसे?
बोला था ना लाइट लगाने में 2 दिन और लगेंगे।
2 दिन?
हाँ मैडम वो
1 मिनट। हेलो?
मैडम वो टाइल का कॉस्ट है ना?
जी।
100-150 ज्यादा लगेगा।
हाँ तो
पर टाइल।
क्या? ऐसे थोड़ी होता है भैया, आप जितने की बात हुई थी आप उतने में ही दीजिए। ये क्या है?
मैडम टेबल थोड़ी सी 90 की जगह 95 डिग्री की बन गई है, चलेगी ना?
मैडम बजट 2 लाख बढ़ जाएगा।
मैडम किचन की जरूरत ही क्या है?
Creating your beautiful home shouldn't be this hard, right? For a professional end-to-end interior design service, contact Beautiful Home Service with Asian Paints.
I wanted to inform you that everything is running on time and your home will be ready by tomorrow.
Thank you so much.
Complete home design to execution, your way. Beautiful Homes, your way. Beautiful Home Service with Asian Paints. Book an appointment today.